Hi everyone, today is Tuesday, the 20th of April, and as every week we are here from our channel Simple Elite Traders to give you our insight of the market. So let's jump to the chart and see what is going on right now. On the forex market, we always start with the big picture. The big picture is the dollar index. The dollar index is the king of the currency, which is moving all the currency. So that's why we analyze first the dollar index. Dollar index at the moment is show us a weakness because we can see after this uptrend suddenly this big phase 1 is happening. So meaning maybe we start to see a downtrend of dollar. After this big push down, we always expecting a little bit of pullback. So I draw this level here is around 91 because I'm expecting a little bit of pullback of dollar, at least until on this level 91.80, and then I start to be a seller of dollar. At the moment, if you are familiar with reversal trade, maybe we can see a little bit of pullback of dollar. Even because we can see all the major currencies at the moment are on support and resistance level, which I show you right now. So let's start with the euro dollar. Euro chart is the opposite of dollar. As you can see, we had this big push down on downtrend, and suddenly we get this big push up as well. I draw all this support and resistance level on big time frame to see where the price can react. So if we're expecting a dollar short time buyer, meaning all the other major currency should have a pullback. So we're going to see all the major currency and see where we are expecting this pullback. So at the moment euro dollar is rejecting this level 1.20, meaning we want to see a couple of days of pullback, at least on this support here around 1.1985 to have a phase 2 and then position ourselves to go long on euro dollar. Also, we can expect the price to come back on this level as well, is 1.1926. The other major currency as well, they are struggling to break through the level. Let's see Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar, we analyzed a couple of weeks ago, was on downtrend, and we were expecting this head and shoulder pattern, which is a reversal pattern, to go short. But it didn't happen because the market went sideways, and finally last week buyers stepping in and break through this level, which was around 76.60. Today we can see this high test bar is forming and is rejecting this resistance level, which is around price 78.10. Also, pound is at resistance level around 140, but because pound maybe can break through this level, because seasonality pound on April is very strong. So we're expecting to be a buyer of pound just if it's break through this level. Kiwi, as you can see, I have this resistance line here. It didn't went through all this, but you can see his price start to reject as well. Dollar CAD as well, we can see is rejecting this support level. It's a downtrend, but recently price action is not very clear, so I don't really like this chart as well, so I'm moving on. Dollar Swiss franc, we can see as well I have this soft level here around 91.41, which is look like is rejecting as well. But the chart which I like most and which I'm in right now is dollar yen. So let's analyze the dollar yen on the weekly time frame to have a big picture. We can see is an uptrend on big phase 1 and nicely pulled back on phase 2, rejecting this level around price 108. If you drop down time frame daily, you can see today price action is rejecting this support level. So I show you my entrance on the dollar yen. This is daily time frame of dollar yen. You see I have the level here, and my entrance was on lower time frame, 15 minutes chart. I put a buy limit order on this daily pivot around 108.32. Daily pivot, I don't know if you are familiar, but they are working as a support and resistance. So that's why I put my entrance on daily pivot, which I'm expecting rejecting the level and go up again. This is my entry on the dollar yen. I'm expecting this go up until R2, which I can have a reward to risk 2-1. I just want to be on this trade not for long, because we're expecting a pullback on dollar, so maybe a couple of days. So that's why this is a very short term long dollar yen. The other market we are interested about is always US indices. What we see right now on S&P 500 is all the time is touching this trend line on top of this channel, is always rejecting. So at the moment the price is showing a little bit of weakness, what is good for us because we can have a nice pullback. So we expect this pullback until this 20 MAs around 4,070, and then we're gonna position ourselves to go long. The other chart is NASDAQ. NASDAQ last week hit the price all-time higher, which was around 14,000. But the price is not look very bullish at the moment. We see a little bit indecision right now, especially on Friday bar. So we're expecting as well a pullback on NASDAQ as well until the 20 of MA around 30,587, and then we're gonna position ourselves to go long as well in NASDAQ. The last chart what I'm interested about is gold. What I see in gold right now is this big channel, and the price is rejecting the top and bottom as well. But after this beautiful double bottom, buyer try to step in again. I really want to see this price action breakthrough on this level around 70,075, because I'm expecting as well on gold a little bit of pullback around this level here, 70,045, and then to see a phase 1 start again. And after it's gonna break this level, I'm gonna be a buyer of gold. Thank you to watch this video until the end. I hope you find useful our insight of the market every week, and I wish you all the best. Happy trading and happy investing, and see you next week. Thank you, bye bye.